Are you a low to moderate income worker who might be leaving money on the table? If you've heard of the Earned Income Credit but think it's too complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're seeing how TurboTax helps you claim the EITC. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The Earned Income Tax Credit is a refundable credit for working people with low to moderate income. It can put thousands of dollars back in your pocket, but the rules are specific. The key: answer TurboTax's questions honestly. You don't need to know the complex rules yourself. As you enter your income and personal information, TurboTax will automatically check if you qualify. It will ask you detailed questions about your work, investment income, and qualifying children. The process: let TurboTax do the work. Based on your answers, TurboTax will calculate your credit and fill out the required forms and worksheets. It will ensure you meet all the requirements, like having earned income below the limit and meeting the residency rules. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: the EITC is a common audit trigger. Because the rules are complex, the EITC is closely scrutinized. This is where using TurboTax is a huge advantage. It helps you get it right, ensuring you claim every dollar you're entitled to while minimizing your audit risk. So, just like that, you can confidently claim this valuable credit. Using tax software goes a long way in navigating complex credits like the EITC correctly. Now I'm curious, did you know the EITC can be worth over $6,000 for some families? Were you aware of this credit before? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.